Alright, so today we're going to be talking about all the hurricanes, well there's only one, and possible development areas. So right here is, it formed yesterday, and it's already a hurricane. It's supposed to be making a hurricane category 3, Hurricane Beryl. And then there's this other development area. It has a 70% chance of development. And I'd say it's gonna probably be heading towards Florida. It has like a low chance, this right here. I'm not talking about this little purple thing, but this, it has a high chance of forming. And then you go down here, this has an even higher chance of forming. So, take care and subscribe.